Alright guys, so it took us all last night. We didn't sleep. We've been working for about 14 straight hours and we finally got these rails on and these mirrors.
Alright y'all, so what we're gonna do is pop these boxes open. This is part 2 of building the skyjacked ram. So we got the lift in, but now we gotta make it practical. And we can't see out of these bad boys very good anymore. So we're gonna put some of these on. And then as you can tell, if you're not 6'6" like me, you probably can't hop in this truck. So for mom's sake, we're gonna throw these nice chrome side steps on.
Amazon specials, of course.
Oh yeah. But yeah, as you can tell, these are gonna accent the chrome really nice on the truck. And Dad's real big into the chrome, so we're gonna get it done for him. But let's check this out.
Oh yeah.
I'd say that's gonna help Mom out quite a bit.
And show the other package.
Yeah.
What we got in there?
In here, we got what really matters. We got the chrome tow mirrors. They got the blinker light on them, the puddle light, power adjustable mirror, and also power fold in, because this is the bighorn edition.
Oh yeah.
But you know you got to run those moose antlers.
It's the only way.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slap all this stuff on, and then we'll catch up with y'all, and you'll see part 2 of 3 completed on the skyjack ram. So I'll see y'all later.
So we're just popping the screws off on this door panel. And we already popped this little piece off. So we're gonna pop these mirrors out and show y'all the chrome loose antlers that are coming up. Alright guys, so it took us all last night. We didn't sleep. We've been working for about 14 straight hours and we finally got these rails on and these mirrors. I had to call a couple people and ask them how in the world to tighten the bolts on those mirrors, but we got it figured out and the thing looks sweet. So let us know in the comments what y'all think about the rails. Rails or no rails. Loose antlers are clipped in. And then in an upcoming video, we got a treat for this truck. It's getting some 38s and maybe a surprise for the wheels.